Hello and welcome to Ecorium Academy. In this session, we are going to discuss about the internal assignments that students get who do their online MBA. Every university, they give you 6 papers in per semester, and every paper contains 100 marks. And out of that 100, 70 marks is your question paper, and 30 marks is for your assignment. So how the question paper is going to be, I have uploaded the video earlier. You can go and check out about the question paper, 70 marks question paper, what will be the qualification, what will be the marks. So you can go over there and check it out. And here in this video, we are going to discuss about the internal assignments for the students. Now let us see this internal assignment students. Normally these are for 30 marks. Every paper assignments that have been given to you has 30 marks weightage. So I have here a sample paper over here, a sample assignment of my previous So students, here I have the sample of my paper where actually scored good marks, and how I was able to score good marks, and the subject which is itself is written over there, that is project management. So let us see what are the guidelines that university provides you, and how you're going to prepare for your assignments. So usually students, so you get 3 questions of 10 marks each. So let us see the first question over here. See, normally what happens, they don't allow you to write the question, write the assignments. Actually, first I'll start with assignments. They don't allow you to write the assignments in a paper, or you can say handwritten assignments. They don't take that way. You don't have to submit those assignments to the campus itself. No, you don't have to do that also. But all you have to do, you have to make a soft copy of your assignment, and with your login portal, you can go over there, and the guidelines are given you over there how to upload your assignments. You can go and upload over there. Okay, so for that purpose, they don't take handwritten assignments or decorative assignments. They take the soft copy only, and through your portal itself, not even with your mail or anything. With you have to submit your assignment with your login portal, students portal, whatever you have received during your admission time. So students, here I have a soft copy of my project, of my previous project, where I'll be discussing about, see, questions. Normally they don't ask you to put a question over there, but then to, if you put for your convenience, you can put over there. There is no negative markings. And secondly, they don't allow you to put your name over there, or mention the semester. No, nothing. You don't have to do any of these things, like you have to write your name over here, or semester, or what you're doing, or which course you're doing, which semester you're. They don't require all those kind of stuff. So you directly, when you upload your assignment from your portal, so with your login ID, your professor comes to know that you are from which stream and what project you are submitting. So, but be careful when you submit your project, where you have to submit which. See, sometimes what happens, students have made this mistake where they have submitted different project for different subject. So don't do that way. Be very alert while doing your submission. Be very careful. So I was with the identity. They don't ask you your identity, who you are, what you are. Your number works over there. So this is all about, students. And very important thing, you have to read the guidelines so very carefully. Why? Because they very clearly mention over there that you don't have to copy your assignment from anyone, or any old assignments, or from any outsource, like you copy it from your Google, internet, Google, and from any other source. Students, if you're copying and you're pasting your assignment over there, so sorry, you're not going to get any marks, because they have some kind of software where they can easily identify from where and from which source you have copy paste your assignment. And if you have copied from your friends and you have done the discussion, it actually comes on to the paper itself. So please don't do that. Please don't do make the exact assignments also. So that was all about warning that they actually give to the students. So be very careful with all those stuffs. Now comes to the project part. Questions, as I told you, question is not very important for you to write, but then to students, if you are writing it, then you write it for your convenience. There is no negative markings, no problems with that. Then when you present your answer, students, see how I have mentioned over here my question number and my answer number very carefully. And then after that, I have started with introduction. Since this is a 10 marks question, I have to start my answer by writing my introduction. So introduction, you have to read the question very carefully. And one more, students, one more hint I'll be giving you. See, assignments and projects have been given as per your study material, as per your notes, whatever you get from the university. They don't ask you anything from outside, okay, or apart from your syllabus. So it's very easy for you if you learn and if you go through your notes and your study material properly, then definitely you'll be able to answer the questions in the assignments. So very analytical questions they ask, but you have to understand very well, very carefully. If your concepts are very clear, if you have gone through with all the video lectures, then definitely you'll be able to answer. So you start with your introduction part first. You write the introduction of whatever the topic they have asked. Then you write the main content body part. See, and when you write your, when you make your assignment, student, make it very presentable. Make it very presentable, because what happens is your presentation plays a very important role. Highlight certain things, how I have highlighted over here. More important things, more main answer, you have to highlight it more. If you do in that way, then it is very good for you. And these kind of things I have done, because these are the things where I can get it from my notes. So you don't have to go on the Google and search for the answers. So you get maximum things in your notes itself. Then you write your answer in this manner, and when you conclude your answer, see, this is an analytical answer. They ask you what you think, which step is important. So according to me, when I answered the entire thing, so I analyzed that this other, you can say, what I think about the answer and what is correct as per me. Okay, so there is what you feel is perfect, a good the answer, you can mention it over there. And then you conclude the answer, students, conclude your answer. So what three important things you have to answer for your 3 marks question is your introduction part, then your body part, that is main part of your question, and then comes the conclusion part of the answer. Okay, so this is how it works for 10 marks. See, then for next question, I have properly mentioned what is what was the question, and then answers. Again, I have highlighted the important things over here. I have made the middle content or important content as a main content. See how I have written everything with a bold letter, so that it can be easily eye-catchy for the professor to check your project. And might be if she or he is happy, then definitely you'll be getting a good marks over here. So this is how you do. You conclude your answer, 10 marks answer, you conclude with the conclusion. And the last question, when they give students, they divide the question itself into two. That is part A and part B. So first you mention which part you are answering. So answer part A. So I've written here properly part A. So I have mentioned here with the, since it's a project management project, so I have to make this table over here. I have to insert this table over here. So that is what I have done over here. So I think so this was also a good way of presenting my answer. Then the third, yeah, so second part of the third question is here. So there's a 3B. So properly I have mentioned. Then I came to 3B part, and again little bit of introduction, not much wasting time, because it's hardly of 5 marks, and I have to show my calculation much over there. So this is how I have to, shown my calculation over here. and hopefully my answer was right, and I just scored a better marks. Okay, students, so this is all about your assignments. So all the best for doing your assignments. Thank you.